So what kind of traditional dresses do you like most?
I like sari, obviously. It's
Sari?
our traditional
Okay.
wear.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know how to wear it. And I
Ah.
don't know how to carry them.
So your mom helps you to wear this?
Yeah.
Sometimes
Sometimes in parlor also.
in parlor also. What was your score in SSC? You got what?
I didn't get GPA 5.
Yeah, that's okay. She didn't get GPA 5, but that's okay. What
Yeah.
did you get? ওর বয়স সর্বোচ্চ হয়তো 15-16 বছর হবে। এই বয়সে ও সুন্দর করে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারছে এবং ওর সাথে যদি আমি সারাদিন ইংরেজিতে কথা বলি, ও সারাদিন বলতে পারবে। That's what I believe. You can?
I think I
think,
can.
yeah.
It's a bit broken sometimes, but I
But
think
it's
I
okay.
can. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Say hello to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
All right, let's walk and talk.
Okay.
All right. So we have someone. She's not a special one. She's not a special kid, but she's a beautiful kid. Oh, why you are walking so fast, anyways?
I'm a bit fast.
You're this fast,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so
Okay, I will maintain the line. Okay.
Peach.
Okay, yeah.
All right. So can you tell me about yourself first?
Hi, my name is Ananya Sengupta. I just passed SSC right now, and I am a student of Headman Academy.
She passed SSC, like metric, and in 2025.
Yeah.
Right?
SSC
So
25.
I was talking to her, I was asking her if she can tell me about her future plan. So she said something about her future plan. So I want to let you know too. So if you just can tell everyone about your future plan.
Okay, I don't have the particular future plan right now, but I am planning to move abroad right now.
Where?
USA.
Why?
My full family stay there.
In USA?
Yeah, my
So-
brother is right now doing PhD at there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why you are living in Bangladesh?
Currently, my dad is doing a job here.
In Bangladesh?
Yeah.
Where does he work?
He's he's IT head of ECME laboratory.
Okay, and what your plan is not to move in US. You want to go there, but you want to do something. You want to do.
I will be a student at there. Yeah.
And after the student, after you complete your studies, what do you do?
I think I will be a IT person.
IT person.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
My
do
father wants me to be a IT person.
because he is IT guy.
Yeah. My full family is IT based.
As you also want to go in this field, or you want to do something else?
I think it's my family's choice.
It's
They
not
think
your
that,
choice.
yeah.
So, if you complete your graduation or post graduation, and if you think you want to do something else, or if you wanted to do something else, but you are frustrating right now after doing the IT things and all those things, so what would you do at that time?
I think I will start a business.
Of what kind of business?
I think I
IT
like-
business.
No, at that time I will start doing a dress kind of business.
Clothing business.
Clothing business, like traditional clothes. And there, I think it will be a great job.
Great job to
Yeah.
do a traditional business, traditional
In
clothes business.
USA, yeah.
In US.
Yeah.
So who is going to be your customer? Like the guys
Bengali.
from US? Bengali
person,
people.
Yeah. Also, many foreigner likes to wear these things.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So what kind of traditional dresses do you like most?
I like sari, obviously. It's
Sari?
our traditional
Okay.
wear.
Uh-huh.
But I don't know how to wear it. And I
Ah.
don't know how to carry them.
So your mom helps you to wear this?
Yeah.
Sometimes
Sometimes in parlor also.
in parlor also. So you are moving to US.
Yeah.
You are doing IT business or IT job or something like that.
Yeah.
And
If that didn't work out, then I will do
so
a clothing business.
clothing business. So what was your score in SSC? You got what?
I didn't get GPA 5.
Yeah, that's okay. She didn't get GPA 5, but that's okay. What
Yeah.
did you get?
4.93.
4.93,
Yeah.
like a grade?
Yeah.
All right. So you are happy with the score you have?
Yeah.
So
Not
people-
really the. It's not a. Like, I'm
That's
not that
okay.
much glad about it.
but that's okay.
I have nothing to do with it.
That's okay, I think, right?
No. It's
Yeah.
like I have nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
I'm going USA. and I have
so-
no. I have no interest.
Look at her expression. She is not shy, and we shouldn't be shy, right?
I should not be
yeah.
shy about
So
it.
people sometimes get frustrated after their SSC
Result, yeah.
after their SSC results. So what is your suggestion for them?
I think you should move forward.
Does result really matter?
No,
Why not?
I think it's not.
So if you don't get a good score,
We know many people, right?
Yeah.
They are doing a very good job. They're not from even though they're not from science base.
Yeah.
Many people are from arts base, right? They're doing a very good job. It's not like everyone have to get GPA 5.
Yes. So I was talking to her and I was surprised. I was feeling really good that she's coming here in Hitman Academy and she's trying to speak in English with her friends, also with the teachers. And I also talked to her a few times and I found it really, really nice. So what I mean in Bangla, let me tell you, she just completed her SSC. ওর বয়স সর্বোচ্চ হয়তো 15-16 বছর হবে। এই বয়সে ও সুন্দর করে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারছে এবং ওর সাথে যদি আমি সারাদিন ইংরেজিতে কথা বলি ও সারাদিন বলতে পারবে। That's what I believe. You can?
I think I can.
Yeah.
It's a bit broken sometimes, but I think I can. Yeah.
So এবং এত ন্যাচারালি বলছে, ওর প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশন নিয়ে কোনো মানে মাথা ব্যথা নাই, গ্রামার নিয়ে কোনো মাথা ব্যথা নাই, প্রিপোজিশন কোথায় ইউজ করলো কি করলো না সেটা নিয়ে কোনো মাথা
I
ব্যথা নাই।
think all people should come headman.
People should come in
Headman, yeah.
So ওর মাথা ব্যথাটা হচ্ছে ও কমিউনিকেট করতে পারছে কিনা, এবং হেডম্যান একাডেমিতে এটাই ফোকাস করি, আপনি কমিউনিকেট করতে পারছেন কিনা। সো ও 15-16 বছর বয়সে যদি এসএসসি পাস করে ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারে, ট্রাস্ট মি আপনিও পারবেন।
Yeah, everyone can.
Everyone
Even
can.
though suppose you are married, you have child, I think you also can come here.
ও ওর প্যারেন্টকে সাজেস্ট করতেছে, if you have child just come and see how we learn here. So that's
It's a very friendly
friendly place,
friendly place.
teacher place,
Yeah,
and
everyone
everything.
is so cooperative.
Yeah, very nice. But sometimes they sing out loud and then I go and I tell them to keep it silent.
Yeah. Sometimes it's too loud.
And sometimes it's
We are too
loud.
friendly with each other.
Yes. So দেখা হচ্ছে পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে। মজার এরকম ভিডিও পেতে হেডব্যান্ড একাডেমির সাথে থাকুন এবং অনন্যার জন্য দোয়া করবেন যাতে করে অনন্যা তার
যাতে আমি
dream
বিদেশে চলে যেতে পারি।
বিদেশে চলে যেতে পারে, ড্রিম ফুলফিল করতে পারে, তাই তো?
Yeah.
Alright. Take care everyone. Say bye bye. Bye bye everyone. Take care.